Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. We
Because
can.
nowadays people are hearing many things with regards to the MSME. Is it not? So before that one, shall I ask you one question? Whether you people are any entrepreneurs or is a new one to this field here now today?
New one, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, because the country is now once again turning around. Now there is a lot of focus to the MSME sector. I think better you people, yeah. Mm, Vinay Krishna, can you mute this one? And Sai Kiran, those who are those who have not mute, please, Pradeep, please
Yes, sir.
please
Done, sir.
unmute.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, because some echo is coming. That's why. If they want to speak, let them raise their hand or ask some queries, or in between them they can unmute the speaker, the mic, and they can speak. Okay, okay, friends. So MSME nowadays, this MSME sector is getting a lot of prominent in the field of economy because in India, each and everything, many parts of which is supplying. Now, for example, have you heard today? Just now, I saw one news about that one. India's this one mobile phone export, the finished mobile phone export have crossed 100 crores. It's amazing. But do you think that do you think that most of its parts are being manufactured by the MSME sector? So that's why each and in every field, including drone technology, whatnot, most of the things are being produced by the MSME sector only nowadays. And MSME is one field that it is providing nearly 65% of the new job opportunities in the country. And because of the thanks to our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, and today we are celebrating our honorable Prime Minister's birthday, 75th birthday. A great job the people are doing to support MSME. They have reduced the GST from existing 18 or 12% to most of the MSME sectors are being covered under 5% or 0% to some extent. So there is a lot of chances and no dearth of getting finance also. What I would like to tell you. Even how much loan, see this one. Now today, if you want to start a new business under MSME, of course you can start, but it requires certain procedures that you have to follow. You know, if you registered under the MSME portal, even you can go to the your this one mela, you know, export mela or something mela that will be going on, exhibitions. There you can, even including abroad also, you can go and your the to and fro's are being sponsored by the MSME department itself. I will explain you. You don't know. So that doesn't mean that you are opening a bakery unit or something, and very next morning you want to go to Dubai to exhibit that one the world's largest exhibition hall. It is not. You have to follow certain things. That one I will brief you one by one. Okay. Okay. So what is business then? See, business is nothing but buying and selling, a way of earning money. Commerce, the work that you do as your job. A business is defined as organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial and industrial or professional activities. Friends, you can take the screenshot of this one, okay? Now, please stop the cross talking. Okay? Some businesses run as small operations in a single industry, while others are large operations that spread across many industries around the world. So that is very important. But what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is nothing but anything you do to make money, that is called entrepreneurship, including even, yes, you may ask some tricky questions. That one is robbery is also an entrepreneurship. Yes, but law will take its own course of action. You have to abide the law. That's the first and foremost thing. Then under the law only, we have to carry some business. Then only it will be called as entrepreneurship. It is not a charity organization. You have to put your money. You have to take back your money with profit. Profit should be your aim. That is okay, right? Okay. Then what is MSME? See, just think, it's amazing this one. You please be alert. See this one. There are three types of the MSMEs are there. The one is micro, small, and medium type. Right from rupees 1 up to 500 crores turnover, whatever you produce, that will come under MSME sector. Now, what is micro? Micro means up to 2.5 crores investment in plant and machinery or equipment, or your turnover should be less than 10 crores. Very simple. They can send then small, 2.5 and above, up to 25 crores, they come under small and medium. Then medium comes above about 25 crores and up to 50 crores. I will make a change, sorry, here. Okay, fine. About 25 crores and up to 50 crores or 500 crores, up to 500 crores. Up to 500 crores, they all comes under medium entrepreneurship. So that means up to 500 crores or up to 50 crores your investment, they all come under MSME sector. See now the beautiful questions now comes. I told you earlier, you have to register to get the loan or whatever it may be. I will explain this also. Not only this one definitions, registration is most important here in MSME. See, what is MSME? Have you heard of DIC or MSME ministers? Hello? Can anybody unmute your hello?
Yes, sir, we can understand.
Yeah, what is MSME? Have you heard of MSME ministry?
Yes, sir, we heard of MSME ministry, where from the government side, whatever there are programs like for medium and small scale businesses, they are going to help
Yeah.
us.
Yeah. That's true. Now, who is MSME minister now? Hello?
Shobha Karantade.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
See, MSME minister, Jitan Ram Manji. Hello? You can go directly to the portal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you're. Okay, fine. So now MSME, Minister of MSME has introduced the Udyam registration portal to let business owners register their micro and small and medium enterprises. With the introduction of this portal, so somebody please unmute. Mute. With the introduction of this portal, the registration process has become easy and is based on self-declaration. Remember this one. It is based on your self-declaration. Okay. Then, no, just you note down it. Any question comes after, at the end of the session, I will explain you. You can unmute then. Okay. So, Udyama registration. What it does? Udyama registration assists business in growth and expansion. With Udyam registration, all business existing under MSME category can enjoy benefits of designed specifically for them. To complete the registration process for MSME, the provision of a registration number and certificate is essential. Remember this one. So what is this one then? See, Udyam registration assists the business in growth and expansion. See, you may doing some business, or take example, your spouse, or if there is any lady members is also attending this one for their benefit also, I would like to share this one. That if they are doing some small job, making some paper or some artificial jewelries or something, they are selling it, they are not getting any benefit from the government side or the bank, because they have not registered it under the Udyam registration certificate. Had you registered under the Udyam registration, this one portal, you will be eligible to avail loan as well as get any benefits. What I told you, to participate in some of the biggest exhibition like Nehru Maidan in Pragati Maidan in New Delhi, or Kolkata, or else Bangalore, wherever it may be, some NABARD and something, they will help you to go there, and you can have your own stall there. Under, so most of the times they are free of cost, or very minimum this cost will be that will be given, and people are earning money like anything, that one. So to do that one, you have to register your MSME sector, be it be very small, even 100 rupees or 1000 rupees. You just register that one under the MSME portal, Udyam registration portal. Okay. So next step, what happens? Once you register, registration process is complete. The portal provides with an identity number for permanent use, referred as Udyam registration number. What is this Udyam registration number? It is not Aadhaar card, remember. It is not Aadhaar card. It is nothing but it's a Udyam registration number. They will give one number, like your PAN card or Aadhaar number or voter ID. You will receive one number. Then a registration certificate is issued to enterprises eligible for government benefits. This is most important. I told you earlier. It's most important. Then the e-certificate known as Udyam registration certificate confirms eligibility of entities looking to register as an MSME. Very clear, no? See, it's a very beauty of this one is this one. See, you have to register, because once you register that one, you will get all the benefit of that one. So what are all the documents you need to register under the Udyam portal? Very simple. You might have there are several types of the business entities. The first one of proprietary. As an individual, you do not have any partners or small companies or something. You are called as sole proprietor. So proprietorship, you may be having that one, that registered certificate. You declare it yourselves, registration proper. Then individual, business owners, and entrepreneurs. Any individual, as I told you earlier, any individual for that matter, you want to start your own business, you can declare that one. Even you are doing, think that you are doing some job, some productions like pickles or artificial jewelries or some other things, some apparels, whatever it may be. That what you people are doing, you can register it under the portal. Or the private companies also they can, and even partnership firms also. Then even public limited companies. Then you might have formed your own cooperative societies. There are many cooperative societies are there, which is producing very good products in our country. So that cooperative societies also can. Even trust. Then the last but not least, it is self-help group. Self-help group, I think you might have heard, because it is one of the backbone of Indian economy right now, which is giving nearly 300 to 400 crores of business every year to the banks. Okay. I think, hello?
So example for self-help groups, sir.
Pardon?
What type of businesses for self-help groups?
No, self-help group, anything they can do. Self-help group, the people are joining more than 5 people, and maximum is the 20. From which place you belongs to? Hello?
Andhra Pradesh one.
Okay, Andhra Pradesh is famous for self-help group. Right from 1996, it is very good, this one. Because of Andhra Pradesh, a new law has come to restrict some money lenders also. Because money lenders have entered there and they have ruined. Sometimes the government found that they are ruining the self-help group, this one. So that's why all over India, government has brought some of the law to curtail them. So SSC is nothing but the person need not necessarily the lady folk. Anyone can join. It can be a mixed group, or it can be this one only ladies group, or the gents group, or whatever it may be. They can form, but membership should be above 5 and below 20. They can form. They have to start with the collection of the money, open your accounts in one of the bank, and you can get the loan for that one. The self-help group, they can produce each and anything. When I was the senior manager in Mangalore in my bank, I have given personal vote to the one SHG group. It is called Savinaya. Their name Savita, Vinaya, like that one. They have formed that group. 8 lakh rupees they have taken, and it was one of the wonderful group, one of the excellent group, and their news have appeared in the national level TVs and news at that time, around 2010 and 11. That at that time itself, they are doing very good job. You can do each and anything. Yeah, I will continue.
No, in the group they can
So-
invest in that MSME already existed businesses.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? You
Okay.
can. They can. Okay.
Even existed things also they can register and get the
Yeah. I
OTM
told you.
number and then
In my previous, you want to see that one?
Yeah, I seen that. First we get the ODM and then that number will
Yeah.
be
See,
registered
all
in
businesses existing under MSME category can enjoy benefits. Very clear. Okay.
Sure.
Now, if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. We are here to clarify your doubts. Huh?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, my name is Krishit Raju, and sir, for taking this MSME loan, will they
I
ask any
cannot hear
collateral?
you. I cannot hear you.
Will they ask any collateral fee?
I will explain that. Okay, it is all there.
Okay, sir.
See, without collateral, how much loan you can expect it in first? You know the wonder of our Indian economy right now? Up to 5 crores, you can take collateral free loan. I'll explain after one by one, okay? Huh?
Sir, please provide your phone number also, sir.
Hello?
Please provide your mobile number also, sir.
Hello? I can't hear you.
He's asking you can post your number in the chat.
Pardon?
He's asking your number, sir, to post it in the group.
The number in Boswala that they will give, I will give you it after that. Okay, once let me finish this one, okay? Okay. Then document required. See, open that portal. What are other documents you need? Only your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Everybody is having. These are the only document requires. All the other details, including the details of investment and turnover, are taken automatically from the government database. Clear now? Okay. Who can apply for Udyam registration? I told you already. Even limited liability partnership, any association of persons. I told you the same, everything is covered except Hindu undivided family and one person company and limited company. Okay. See, you may ask me, see, what are all the benefits I got registered under the Udyam registration? See, unless there is some benefit, it is not advisable also. If anybody asks, what I'm in return, what I'm getting. See here, they avail loan at rate of interest as low as 1% to 1.5%. That is different issue. It is directly from some other companies, but in bank it is not like that. But it is in the portal, MSME portal that I am giving. Usually interest will be charged around 10%. Remember that one. Okay. Then different government schemes. Upon successful completion of Udyam registration, MSME can avail of several government programs and subsidy schemes. These includes public procurement policy, credit guarantee, credit-linked capital subsidy, and many more. Seamless integration. The third one is Udyam portal integrate with the GST identification system and other government system, including PAN and income tax registration. This allows MSME to manage their financial needs. They will take each and everything. Government is having no database, means if you put your PAN card, everything will be there. Now we are living in the transparent era. Nothing is secret. Each and every call is being recorded. You know that one? We don't know. Then one more important thing is MAT credit extension. You know what is MAT credit? Under the can take forward minimum alternative tax credit for 15 years rather than 10 years. See, there are, I will explain it afterwards, because now think that there are very good tax systems that you can avail. Because if I go in detail about the MAT tax system, then it will take one hour only. Think that you will get the tax benefit out of it up to 15 years. For example, you need nowadays, because of the thanks to Finance Minister, Government of India, GST has been lowered, so no need of this one. Okay. Then priority sector lending banks and NBFCs offer money to business under Udyam registration to support them. This eliminates barriers and lays down a strong foundation for fulfilling business dreams. Okay. See, these are all the benefits are there. Okay. Then now, the main question is how to register. See, you just open that one, official Udyam registration portal, and select the option for new entrepreneurs who are not registered as MSME or EM2. Step 2, enter the name of entrepreneur and Aadhaar number. Click on generate OTP. The third one, you will receive an OTP to the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar card. Enter the OTP and click on validate. Then 4, to validate the PAN verification page, provide PAN number along the type of organization. Also validate if your previous year ITR filed and whether you have a GSTIN. If you are doing some business, you are filing income tax or GST number also you are having, you have to enter that one. Then fill the registration form with necessary details such as name of your enterprise, location, address, bank details means your bank account number and which bank you belongs to, everything. I need not say that no one is having bank accounts. Each and every one is having bank accounts. By sitting your home only, they will open your accounts. Nowadays, we are far ahead of most of the developed country in having the bank accounts, of course. Then fill the registration form with okay, your enter location, okay. Then click the submit button. Once again, it will generate OTP. OTP, yes, you enter that. Udyam registration certificate, it will come to your email. Following the above step, you can complete the Udyam registration process. That's very easy. Simple. By sitting in your home only, you can do each and everything there. Okay. Then, how to check with the MSME registration status? One is, visit the official Udyam registration portal and select the print bar verify options. Yes. Select verify Udyam registration number. Enter the reference number along with the security code and select verify. The registration status will be displayed. Very easy. Anybody can do it. Now, type of funding. After this one, you can approach bank. Now I am coming to your the main questions. That is, I think you need money. MSME, yes. Why we want to register MSME? To get it is a passport to get the concessional interest rate, and it will provide you some marketing facilities. And those who are having MSME registration, for them, they not only get this one, say MSME registration, Udyam registration, they will get concession raw materials at a concessional rates most of the times. And that certificate is having dynamic QR code from which web page the portals and details of the entrepreneurs can be assessed. Yeah, it is. See, once you register that one, you will get each and every benefits that one. Okay. Then you need money. Now after that one, most of the times whether subsidy is available or not, because subsidies are governed by the government. Most of the times the state government, they do something. Central government, no issue, they will give you. Then type of funding, of course. I am having fund, for example. I do not want any loan. But there are other facilities, as I told you. If you want to go to some very, very important is to go abroad to display, to exhibit your product in the large scale, in the very reputed even Dubai exhibitions, industrial exhibitions, or wherever it may be. Your to and fro flight charges will be borne by them. And your stall also sometimes get you at a very concessional rate, and the Department of the Industry and MSME sector, they will guide you in this matter. And the department, DIC department or KVC department in your district, in your taluk, they will help you. Okay. First one is self-funding. No need of explaining that one. The second one is personal saving. You might have some savings with you. From that also you can start. Bootstrapping. Bootstrapping means nothing but somebody your forefathers have kept some very good amount and they will give you. Simply you are doing that one. Okay. Then family and friends. Your family members, your elder one, or your close relative, or your friend, they may tell you, okay, you take interest-free loan and repay it as and when you earn profit. Like that one also, of course. And the same one, borrowing and family and friends, yes. Then informal agreement. There are some money lenders. They may give your close relatives. They may give either free of interest or with nominal interest. They may say, yes, you give me some bank rate or whatever it may be. Then risk and benefits. These are also there. Yes. Then now funding source, the most important, because banks are the backbone of a country. Now bank loans. Type of bank loans. For any business, you need two types of bank loans. The first one is investment credit term loans. The second one is working capital to run your day-to-day business. Now I will explain you one by one. Eligibility criteria, documentation required, and interest rates that is applicable. Okay. The first one, everybody is asking, whenever this meeting is there, whether it is in the virtual classes or the offline, wherever I go, people ask, sir, what is Mudra loan? Banks are giving, whether subsidies are available. So this is very, very important and very burning question also. I'll explain it one by one. Now, bank loan is Mudra loan is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. See, Mudra loan is, primary aim of Mudra loan is to meet financial requirement small and medium-sized entrepreneurs, promoting income generation and employment. Mudra loans are provided for various purposes, business loans for traders, shopkeepers, and vendors with the loan size up to rupees 10 lakh per borrower per entrepreneur. Now it is 20 lakhs. That is secondary one. I will explain you afterwards. For that reason only, I have kept it as it is just 10 lakh rupees only. See, for think, there are some petty owners are there, street vendors are there. They want to loan. Yes, they can avail loan under the Mudra. Now the main core questions what you people are asking, who are ready to give people, we are all poor people. We cannot give the guarantee. And how to provide to the guarantee because banks are asking the guarantee or the collateral security like that one. I'll explain you afterwards. Okay. Now it's very interesting. Be attentive. So under the Mudra loan, two types of loans that we are giving. Mudra card, working capital loans. Mudra card also giving, that is debit card issued on the RuPay platform. Based on your RuPay platform, you pay RuPay card itself is the Mudra card. Equipment finance for micro unit. They will provide you some equipments under this one. You can banks giving directly to the supplier and supplier provide you the whatever the requirements. That one. Then transport vehicle loans, of course. You want to purchase one lorry or whatever it may be. For that also they can cover under the Mudra loan up to 10 lakh rupees. Remember. So to carry some vegetables, a small van, or just like a auto rickshaw, like that one vehicle, each and everything can be taken under the Mudra loan. Very clear. And agricultural allied non-farm income generating activities such as beekeeping, poultry farming, and fishiculture. These are also, and the dairy also, they are also covered under the Mudra loan. Very interesting. And it's very easy also because I served for 38 years in the bank and we have helped a lot of the people under the Mudra loan. And for your surprise, we know it better that Mudra loan, under the Mudra loan, what we are giving, NPA is very minimum. Yeah. See, of course, what type of Mudra loan you want, you tell me. What type of? See, yes, your requirements may be vary. I told you there are 4 categories. The mainly one is the 3 categories up to 10 lakh rupees. Somebody, they may need just 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees or up to 50,000 rupees. Because in roadside street vendors or any, this one, your housewife, if she is preparing some pickles or what I told you, some artificial jewelries or something, they need hardly 25 to 30,000 or 40,000 or 50,000. That comes under the Shishu category. I will tell you what is it. I will explain afterwards. The second one is Kishore. Yes, they have grown up. Somebody, they are doing very well. They need to expand their business to certain extent. To purchase, yes, papad making or pickle making. They want some grinder, that commercial grinder or papad making machines or some this one dairy also, some equipments or something, whatever it may be. Their requirement is more than 50,000 or up to 5 lakh rupees. They all come under Kishore category. And the one is Tarun category. Yes, I told you, vehicle you want to purchase, one small van to run your business. For example, think that in your village area or something, vegetable vendors are there. They need van or some auto rickshaws or whatever it may be. From there you can take and them and this one or some transport also. That one, for example, you have got some contract with a big school to bring the children to the this one, okay, you that school or somebody Anganwadi or whatever it may be. For them also, your requirements may be 10 lakh rupees to purchase one vehicle. For that also, you can cover it under Tarun category. And once your repayment is very good, earlier you have taken all this category, you people are doing still better way, then up to 20 lakhs, Tarun plus it is called. That also you can avail. Okay. Then the core question once again. Bank loans. Yes. When you step into the bank, people ask, the manager asks, or somebody will ask that documents we need. Don't be afraid. As I told you in Udam registration, it is also very simple one. Because see, identity proof like Aadhaar or PAN card, already each and every person is having their own bank accounts in one or the other area. I prefer you go to the nationalized bank or regional rural bank so that they are customer friendly. Definitely they will give loan. Even you can go to ICICI or Axis, no one can deny you from opening up the bank, but they are putting some conditions, these private sector banks recently. But for this one, under the small categories, there are some exemptions are there. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, in the bank, all these 38 years of the banking experience, most of the people are having their accounts in the public sector bank, government-owned bank, or the private banks like old generation private bank like Karnataka Bank or Karur Vysya Bank, like so and so and so on. Okay. Now, so no, everything is having there. To then your essential address to open the bank. These are all things needed. Then business ID, registration certificate. Your Udyam registration certificate comes here. Then latest photography, of course. Then proof of minority, if you belong to them, or SCST like that one. Proof of loan requirements, equipment quotations, vendor details, etc. For example, a street vendor, he need one small something, trolley or something. And these company industries are not manufacturing that one. For them, this is one local mechanic, some that they are doing, they can do it. They can do it. you can give their number, provided GST registration is there. Otherwise, no. Okay. And okay. The eligibility under the Mudra Yojana should be a customer of a bank, that bank. Collateral security, no. Remember, collateral security, no. Then what the security? Security is nothing but hypothecation of assets created out of loan created. You have taken a loan, out of that one you are creating some of the SM assets, that's enough. Then processing charges for private sector, private money lenders, they ask you some processing charges, but here no. Can be used for a variety of purpose. I told you, under the sun, including sun rays, you can do any type of business and everything will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Then interest rate around 9 to 10%. Then repayment. See, up to 7 years you can repay. Up to 7 years. Very, very, very useful one. Yeah. Then these are all about Prime Minister Mudra Yojana. Very simple. No need of explanation. Then your requirement is more than 20 lakhs or 10 lakh rupees for the new one. Because you want to set up one, some of the units there in your village area, some mechanic shop, you want to some bike repair shop or car repair shop, workshop, or something small engineering product you want to do, some Godrej Almera making or whatever it may be. It may require more than 10 lakh rupees also. For that, we can cover under PMEGP, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Here, the other agencies, they come. Up to Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, only bank and it is in between bank and customer. There is no subsidies available. It is easy money. Okay. Then Prime Minister PMEGP, loan amount. The state government divisional director of KYC in consultation with the KYIP director or your industry DIC, you go to your taluk office, the DIC officer will be there, he will be assist you. And beneficiary also, see, remember, under the PMEGP, you have to register under the online only. Even if you go and visit the DIC office, they will assist you to fill your form in the online itself. Nowadays, no directly giving your money, your papers, and they ask something, no, nothing. If they are not accepting your request, you can go elsewhere and take the screenshot of this one. There you can fill it up. Your applications will be uploaded. Then ultimately, they will come and they will ask you to give some other documents and they will sponsor your application directly to the concerned bank where you are having your accounts. Very clear. Okay. Then it is up to 25 lakh rupees, remember. Here subsidies are available. Subsidy means for depending on the place, for lady entrepreneurs, for SCs it is 33%, for other cities 25%. Okay. Then Startup India. See, Startup India is nothing but start up. You see, it is innovation and entrepreneurship, that one. If you want to start some, see, for the other things, for you are having some idea in your mind, in your mind, you want to do something, you can start your business under the Startup India category. Okay. Key features. You have to register under with the Department of IIT. Then here also tax benefit, 3 years of income tax exemption in the first year, first 10 years. Funding support. Here, your support directly they give up to 10,000 crores corpus funds are there. Through bank, they will give you self-certificate. In labor and environmental law, only self-certificate that will be enough. Then faster patent process. 80% rebate for patent filing. Faster patent processing. See, Startup India, you are having one innovative idea. You want to register that one as a patent. So it will protect your property for another 15 to 20 years. If somebody wants to do it, they have to give you some remuneration, or otherwise no royalty they have to give you. Okay. Then here, incorporate private limited partnership or limited liability partnership. See, up to 10,000 crores in any financial years, less than 10,000, 100 crores, not 10,000, 100 crores in any financial years, they are eligible under the Startup India. Then you might have started your business, you have not registered, but it is below 10 years old, up to 9 years also, you can register it under Startup India scheme. Working toward innovation development and improvement of the product and service. This is most important. Under the the difference between MSME and the Startup India is, in MSME, anything comes under that one. All startups comes under MSME, but all MSME won't comes under the Startup India. It's very clear. Working towards innovation development. You are having very good idea. Recently I saw, nowadays, in the cities or the by the street, people are constructing their house. There is no space for opening your door, gate. For them, some remotely operated these gates are being installed right now. It's an innovative idea. This example I'm telling you. You can do. These are all comes under this one. Okay. And by, see, I'm giving some general idea only. With specific questions or some other things, we can give you by individual basis or in the group also after completion of this this session. See here, credit guarantee schemes for startups. What is this? Now, Department of IIT recognized startup by scheduled commercial banks, NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, and venture debt fund, Startup India Mint. Like that, there is one company is there. Banks can lead collateral. See, all banks can lend collateral-free loan to eligible startup because the government provides a guarantee to mitigate the risk. Mint Startup India. Remember, I told you in earlier case up to 25 lakhs. But here I'm coming you up to 10 crores. Nowadays it is there. Now it is increased to 20 crores. Your Startup India, you can avail the loan with hassle-free loan without any collateral security and the guarantee also, or partially also. Both are there. I will explain you afterwards. Okay. Now CGTMSC. I told you in earlier this one, CGTMSC is there. See, how banks are getting security for this one. There is CGTMSC schemes are there. Credit guarantee loans to micro and small entrepreneurs to encourage bank to lend MSMEs without requiring collateral. Very, very, very. Up to 5 crores you can lay. Coverage up to 5 crores here. Guarantee cover. 75% of the loan, this is for the bank, for not you, and eligible borrower. All micro and small entrepreneurs in manufacturing and service sector. So once you are having Udyam certificate, it is your passport and up to 5 crores without any collateral security or partially also, of course. You are having your land worth of rupees 3 crores. You can take only up to 2 crores. The CGT limits only because of some fees are involved. I will explain afterwards. Okay. Then, credit facility sanctioned to borrower engage in wholesale trade. Remember, even necessarily need not, it's a manufacturing unit. You are having one wholesale trade. you are selling it to some other agencies, directly retail traders. For that also you can. Credit facility to agriculture activities such as fishing, poultry, dairy, etc. Unit under both sector, manufacturing and service, including retail trade, can be covered under CGTMSE. Units engaged in the activities of approved by CGTMSE for coverage. There is some approved list in the CGTMSE scheme itself. Only few things, some drug manufacturing or liquor or something, they won't come under this one. Up to loan above, for loans about 10 lakh, partial collateral security may be obtained. I told you, you want loan up to 25 lakh rupees. You are having some collateral security for that one. For that also, you can exclude that portion. Remaining portion only, for example, some 10 lakhs worth land is there and your requirement is 50 lakh. Only 5 lakhs are covered under the CGTMSE. The remaining, no, not. Very simple. Okay. Now, the most and important part is under the CGTMSE, you have to pay annual charges based on the outstanding of the loan amount. Here under MSME, remember CGTMSE, all loans are repayable up to 10 years. Up to 10 years. And initially gestation period up to 1 to 1.5 years also can be given based on your business requirement. But the one must be very cautious that it is the CGT guarantee fee is there. Remember, for 100%, if one want to take the loan, 5 crores or 10, this one, 1.35% every year he has to pay. That means 1.35 for 5 crores rupees. It is every year you have to pay 6,75,000 rupees fee, not to the bank, it is to the CGTMSE, because they have come for the guarantee, they have not taken anything. So your aim should be, you have to make a profit of more than 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees. So that's why be cautious. You are higher than limit, you slowly once again don't go for loans, big ticket loans initially. You go with the small loans, about 20 up to 50 loans. See, only 0.6% this one rates are applicable for that one. Risk premium and everything is there. So that is very good one, that one. Okay. Now the thing is, 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, the second one is no. So that all reasons here it is covered under maximum of guarantee coverage is up to 75 lakh rupees, or like that one. So everything is, I think I have covered each and everything about the MSME registrations and your Mudra loan and the loan, how to avail your loan under the MSME schemes or whatever it may be. But nowadays, it is very easy to take the loan from the bank, and even government is also giving very much importance to the MSME sector. As I told you, nearly 66%, nearly 40% of our products are being exported to elsewhere under MSME sector only. See, recently in US has imposed some tariffs. Under this one, they have excluded certain things. The one is energy sector. The other one is pharmaceutical. Energy sector, leave apart that one. But pharmaceutical sectors, most of the life-saving drugs, they are produced by it is all generic, this one. Remember, whatever we are exporting to the US is all generic drugs. Most of them are manufactured in the MSME sector only. But America has given some exemptions, and no need of worry. Only the worrying factor is what one is apparels, the garment, and the jewelry. These things, 80% of these things are being manufactured under the MSME sector only. For them, right now, there is a slight problem of the export oriented in it, but no need of that one because Indian economy is 17 trillion right now. 17 trillion is the GDP is 4 trillion, whereas Indian economy itself is 17 trillion, and the China's 40 trillion, US is 34 trillion, then comes India. So India itself is having to absorb whatever you people are producing. So needed for at the same time, government is looking for expanding its hands to South African countries and European and whatever it may be, even Russia also are there. So no need of worrying. It may take little time, but in our country only, we are having the absorbing capacity. So directly, no, don't worry about that one because whatever the things that are being produced by the MSMEs are being exported by the big exporters only, through that big exporters only. So right now, don't worry, nothing will happen, and government is there to rescue for your rescue. So nothing will happen. With all this one, I have completed today's session. Now you can open your unmute your.
Naresh sir, you said the wholesalers also and already registered business also get the
Yeah,
benefits of MSME, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
that is also the same process. We need to prove the documents and
yeah,
how much
yeah, yeah,
turnover
yeah,
we did,
yeah, yeah,
all the things,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Like,
I told, yeah, 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 yeah.
okay,
See,
sure.
in the first, see, okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. This is Teja. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I started my business. I already registered in MSME certificate, and
Okay.
it is like agency, digital marketing agency, service based,
Hmm.
service based, as well as institute where I am giving students classes on this course also offline course. So when I'm trying to go for a loans, they are asking for project kind of thing like you have to
Yeah, yeah. No,
submit
no,
one
no.
project.
See, how much loan you require? You tell me.
Below 5 lakhs only, not more than that.
See, 5 lakhs, no, no, nothing. You under
Oh,
a Mudra loan only you can take.
okay. Which is the best one to take the loan on? Startup India or Mudra?
Mudra loan under the Kishore scheme.
Okay, for me.
I'll show you. Okay.
Okay. So I have Udemy registration. So it is okay for
See,
that to get loan on
see,
that.
can you see this one? Mudra.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Up to 5 lakh, Kishore category.
Yes.
Your required document is very, very simple.
Okay.
You want to, if you want to see that one, take the screenshot of this one.
Yeah, I have already taken
Only one
subscription.
thing, see, only one thing is you must have that registration certificate. That itself is sufficient. Of course, yes. If a bank denies you, then
Yeah.
what are the alternatives? Yeah,
Hmm.
that question. See, you directly fill up your application in their website. It is very difficult them to reject that one.
In their bank websites only.
Yeah, which bank you are having the account?
Sir, actually, I'm trying on Kotak Mahindra.
See, they are all private sector, Baba.
Okay.
So
I
which one you
have to
are
go with government only.
government bank, I suggest you, or regional rural banks. Now, which place you are living?
Digital marketing, sir.
No,
Rural
no,
area like
no, no. Where you are living? From which state you are?
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad, Kukatpalli area.
See, Hyderabad, most of the State Bank of India and Canara Bank is there. All
Yes,
these
sir.
banks are friendly banks. Even private
Oh,
sector banks are also there. You
okay.
see, I'll tell you, Kotak Mahindra Bank, see, unquote that is, I need not
Mm-hmm.
explain you like that one.
Okay.
They are all after
Okay.
some this one. But see, you open your accounts in the SBI. See, they are having some outlets. You can open your accounts there. But only one thing is, even Kotak Mahindra Bank also they have ought to give the loan. But don't see it's because nowadays these private sector banks they are acting like a money lenders like that.
Yes, sir.
Something
Yes, sir,
happens
exactly.
wrong. Very next day they will come and sit on your hand. Okay.
Okay, okay. Then I'm trying to take a current account in Kotak. So at present I can drop and I can go with Canara Bank, right?
See, don't see. Nowadays, State Bank of India is having very good this one. Or even Canara Bank is also, or your Bank of Baroda is there, Union Bank is there. You
Okay,
go
sir.
there. Or some regional rural bank is also there. Andhra Vikas Gram Bank is there.
Okay, sir.
Regional rural banks are very good banks.
Okay, sir.
So nowadays they are having their branches in elsewhere. You just go and search in their website. Andhra
Yes,
Pradesh.
I will.
Sir, any
Andhra
subsidy
Pradesh.
available, sir?
Yeah, subsidy.
Okay.
Of course. PMEGP subsidies are there, but in Mudra loan, no subsidy. I told you. Only PMEGP there is subsidy. And for industry, for that matter, industry, DIC, for example, 10 crore or 5 or up to 25 crores or whatever it will be, even 100 crores. For investment credit, they will give you the loan that is belong to the KYC. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Sir,
any
the
other
best bank for this type of MSME loans, which bank you prefer, sir? Which bank is the best bank for MSME?
See, all the banks are going to give MSME loans. But see, they are all under the rule. But the government-sponsored banks, government-owned banks they are customer friendly. And once you open your bank account there, you just go and ask the manager to come and to see your business. Some credit officers will be there. They are having their quota also, target also. Or even in private sector bank, ICICI and Axis banks are good, of course, even HDFC also. But I always advise you to go with the public sector bank like State Bank or Canara Bank or regional rural banks. In Andhra Pragati or Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank is there. No?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, they are Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank is there. In Hyderabad only, see, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. In Hyderabad only, you go to, there are n number of branches are there. But see, think that you are staying in one corner of the city and your branch is situated some other corner, they won't give you. Next to your doorstep, you may find one commercial or nationalized bank. You go there and you open your account. So best one is Canara Bank and State Bank of India. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Any
Okay,
other
sir.
question?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I applied for Mudra loan through SBI. Apart from the whatever the document you are mentioned, they are asked for me balance sheet and estimate and projected sales also.
See. Okay. I told you.
They require
No, see,
these are the documents required.
No. What type of business you are carrying?
Sir, actually, I'm carrying lubile filtration system sales and service, like hydraulic oil, industrial oil,
See, it is registered, you know. You give them.
registered. Everything is there. Udyan register also there.
Okay, you give them.
GST.
Then, no, sir, do one thing. You fill up your application in the online itself, or some
Okay.
their lead district manager is there.
Okay.
Then definitely they have to give you. You tell them, you take the screenshot of this one.
Even even send a mail also in the. Then I stopped it. Mudra. I required at least around 10 lakhs Mudra
No,
loan.
initially, yeah, for 10 lakh rupees, definitely they are asking some. What is your requirement? Some project report then you need. You
Yeah,
prepare a
project
project
report is there.
report. You
Project
prepare a
report is
project
there.
report and give them. Huh?
Project report is there and quotation also submitted.
Then,
Even though they are asking for balance sheet and estimation and that means current.
yeah, of course. Is it your new venture? See, last year you are having, no? You give the balance sheet. You give
Yeah,
the balance
balance
sheet.
sheet. And they are asking for estimated sheet
See,
and
estimated,
project.
your chartered accountant. See, your chartered accountant will do that one. Potential will. This
Correct.
one, next year estimations. Yes, that they will do.
That
Where else
document
they will
also
do?
required.
Yeah, of course. For 10 lakh rupees,
Okay,
it is required.
okay, okay,
See,
okay.
once
Even
you
5 lakhs for 5 lakhs rupees is not required.
even see up to 50,000, no major documents. Even up to 2 lakh also. But up to 5 lakh rupees, they ask because something happens, the accountability will fall on the bank manager,
Okay.
His salary will be cut.
Okay.
We all passed with that situation. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Then, friends, any other questions? Any other question?
Sir, can you tell about the subsidy under PMEGP loan, sir? For
PMEGP, see, under the PMEGP, KYC people will take care of that one and they will give the subsidy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, friends. All the best.
Sir, is there any
Okay, sir.
possibility to contact you in case if we have any doubts or something, sir?
Yeah, you can contact me 944.
Just a second, sir.
1 minute.
944.
1 minute. I will do something here. 944 810 I'll write down. Take this one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
1 minute. Yeah. Now you can see now.
You can see.
Or else. 1 minute. Yeah. You can see
Okay,
now.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Even if you need, you can contact me through Wallah. They will charge you. Okay. This is the free of cost. Now, but I think, how did you feel?
It's extraordinary, sir. Actually, I got the differences between the loans and what are the benefits of MSME registration and all.
Okay, fine.
Portal. It's really a valuable information, which most of the people are not really knowing even these days. Even after
no, that's why Wallah is doing that one now. That's why
Yes.
Wallah is doing that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, they are doing tremendous
No,
work, and
at
also
least
the
if don't be under the impression that government is helping a lot
yes,
of
sir.
things.
Correct, sir.
Only
Correct.
one thing is ignorance. Even it is because of the machinery, lack of the machinery in India still. I have covered most of this one, even my
Yes, sir.
The children are there in the US. I have traveled even there's some Southeast Asia or something there. Comparing to that one, whatever in India, we are in a very, very good situation. China is a different one, but comparing to other part of the world, don't compare yourself with even European Union. Just to get this type of lecture, you need to pay 10 to 12, 15, 20, $20. Otherwise, they won't. Why? But here, like government, see, I will just before this is the last but not the least, some route settings are there. Route setting. They will give you training. You go approach your bank and ask for the list of their route setting, including Kotak Mahindra also. But in a particular district, there are some recognized route settings are there. They will give you training, including how to maintain your project report, how to maintain your accounts, and whatever it will be, and business ideas and everything. It is residential one, and everything will be covered with free of cost. That is, everything will be covered. Your food and your stay and everything will be covered. It will be from 2 days to 45 days also. Once you come out of that one, see the managers, the assistant general managers like me or general managers like me, we are coming there to give the lectures. You go, you search that one, Route City, Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute, Route Cities.
Route settings, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Route set, 1 minute, I will give you. I'll give you 1 minute. Now, can you see?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah. See, this is route set is stands for rural development and self-employment. Yeah, this one. Okay. You
Sure,
just
sir. Thank
check in the website so that they will give you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable session and your time, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So all the
Thank you very
best.
much.
Okay. Be a very good entrepreneur. Huh? Or if you want
Thanks,
to,
sir.
and then even also for MSME sector, once you grow up to certain extent, you can, like any other big industry, you also can go for IPO. For that, I can assist you.
Sure, sir. Sure.
If you know one of the best industries nearby you, ask them to contact me or you contact me. I can help them to go for that. They can avail up to 100 crores or 200 crores, even 800 crores also through this one IPO share market. Government has given us, there are n number of facilities are there. The only thing is ignorance. Ignorance and ignorance and ignorance. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.